Hello everyone, I'm Tiffany. Today I introduce one power tool. This power tool is cordless angle grinder. This angle grinder, the motor is brushless. It can be used in grinding, polishing, and cutting, and so on. It can be used for different kinds of materials, such as ceramic tile, steel, and wooden. You only according the material to choose the saw blade. Look here. The angle grinder covered with the rubber. It is very comfortable when you use it in your work. And this is the display screen. It shows the battery. And the battery has much powerful. It can be used in long time. Look, I will show you. If you want to use it for a long time, you only need Okay, let's look at the package. The package with two batteries. This is the handle. The handle put here, and this is the battery. This is the shield. The cover is put here, and the angle grinder put here. Two batteries, one battery, two battery, and this is the charger. This is the handle, and the cover is here, and the angle grinder. Is very convenient for you to take it, and you can bring it to your work. It is very convenient. Okay, today is here. That's all. Thank you.